Out again. New one tonight. New woods. Not going to tell you where they are for accountability.
If you're not looking for stuff, you won't find it.
We've stashed our... Oh, we've stashed our bags.
Yeah.
Stashed our bags down there. Now we're going to go
no, let's do it properly. You're going to ask me if we're going walking.
Oh yeah, are we going walkabout?
No, bruv. We're going ride about.
Oh yeah!
I know.
Right then, me again.
All aboard.
Should we go eat now?
Sounds like a good idea.
I think we're going to eat, maybe nip to the pub and then come back and set up.
Doing it all in the wrong order.
Yeah, we're very out of sync tonight. I hope our bags are still there. What are you doing? Oh right, yeah. Is that bottle behind you? Anyway, ale watch. Right, let's come in here. We are heading off to the pub after tea, which is a bit unusual for us. So we're going to go in with a ghost ship, very nice. Adnams after I offended them last camp. And I've got some more of these tiny rebels. So there we go, and the juicy pale ale. Let's speed this up a bit. Here we go. Right, let's come over to this man here.
Sponsored by Beaver Town today, bruh. There's a neck oil in the middle. Oh shit! No!
Yeah, did you just puncture that? This is gold.
What are the odds?
Well, you got to put it in your mouth now and do the ring pull, like when you gun it. Right, you can have that with your tea, can't you? Mm-hmm. You did well there, son, didn't you? Are you going to throw stones at those?
No, fucking not.
Right, I'm going to carry this on because he's pissing about. Right, we've got a Beavertown neck oil there, and we've got a Beavertown Gamma Ray here. That's not a non-alcoholic one, is it? No.
Oh, God, no, don't say that.
That couldn't have gone better for me, if I'm honest. Right, let's cook up. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the plan. We're going to clean the lens first. We're going to do some cooking, and we did scout this spot, didn't we, mate?
It's really good. I just think if we just wait, because we're fairly close to the walking path, if
Yeah.
we just wait, well, when we come back, that'll be 9:30 anyway.
Yeah.
So,
We could either go here or that other little spot, couldn't we? It is nice here with that little break,
I
isn't
really
it?
like it. And the sun, they come up over there,
Yeah.
it's quite nice.
I think I prefer this to that other spot, if I'm honest.
And also, it's not as far as go.
No, right. So, we're going to get lit up, and I think we're both on curries tonight.
Yeah, I'm on curry.
I'm always a chicken man. This man over here, he always does the lamb.
He does.
Maybe another time you can cook my tea, I'll cook yours. I won't stitch you up.
I just tell me that.
Yeah. People normally ask me about chicken and bringing it here and it keeping and everything. I always put one of these cold blocks into my chicken, and then we generally eat within hours of bringing it from home, don't we? So it's all good.
So everything is alight now, look.
Well, better getting it set up right.
Yeah, that was my bad. I bought a Trangia, which doesn't fit the hole, so it was. It's not as stable, but it'll be alright.
Can I have a look at that mug?
This one.
Yeah, just neck it.
No! No! What's he got?
Shut your eyes. Put your hand out, because you've been a good boy.
Holy crap. Holy
What's
crap.
on the other side?
Hashtag me again. How good is that?
Shall I go and get your mug back?
Yeah. But, ladies and gentlemen, that's not just a sticker, that is proper merch, mate.
Sticker. Very nice.
Really nice, yeah.
Mine's been polished off. You didn't have a naan, did you?
No, because I was doing that lack of bread experiments.
Because you're allergic, aren't you, to bread?
I don't know. There's something in bread. I think it kind of bugs me. But I've done 2 weeks without bread. I still get what it is. So I'm kind of back on the bread.
What happened to the other half of that loaf?
I'm really bloated. Candles.
Is that the marker? When it's dark later.
Yeah.
Right, we're all packed up. This isn't the end of the video. We are... Nothing to see, nothing to see. We've had a tea, and now we're off to pub. So we're going to come back here later, set up camp.
Probably in the dark.
Probably in the dark, and camp. It's all in the wrong order today, isn't it? We're back from the pub. we just got to find where we're going to camp now.
I know, roughly.
Roughly.
Yeah.
We're back from the pub. We're all set up. I'm out in the Rab Ridge Raider tonight. Got the bike stowed here in the bushes. See what?
I just saw a beetle. I thought it was like a comedy beetle, like what you do.
Oh no, I didn't bring that. That will make an appearance again. Right, I'm going to come back over here. Jay is out in his...
Before we do that, for photo reasons, I can...
What's it called?
Stratosphere.
That's it, yep. Take 2. I won't reveal where we are this time. Well done, JB. Stealth as usual. Have you ever ridden in a certain place before 5 in the morning?
Yes, because I used to come here for... That sounded like I was rehearsing. It was like, it was a script. I used to come here during lockdown when...
This isn't scripted.
When the giant C word...
Is it?
No.
You wouldn't believe it isn't scripted, would you?
The giant C word clamps in on the whole country. I used to come down here super early in the morning, and as the sun come up, I used to sit over there and make my scrambled eggs, and ride the trails, and then get back home.
To do nothing.
To do nothing, really. I was looking at that, I thought it was a skull.
Turned into a bit of a late one tonight. I think I'm going to go and find my Bivi and get settled in.
Yeah. I'm going to do the same. You'll probably be stepping over mine.
Are you in?
I am in.
You're really loud. Are you close?
No, not really. I'm shouting quite loudly.
All right. Are you 30 paces away?
I can't guarantee that.
Oh, okay. Right. Right then. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to get up in the morning with a bit of luck, have some breakfast. We did threaten we're going to do some more riding in the morning, didn't we, mate?
Yeah, boy.
Yep. We're going to throw some shapes in the morning. Right. See you in the morning. Morning. We're alive. Sleep alright?
Yeah, really well.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
After saying we were going to burn our hoop bivvies the other week, I'm quite enjoyed sleeping in mine.
I might burn the other one.
Yeah?
Yeah, that was a cheapo one. I thought was the ultimate answer, but
That.
turned out to be crap.
Good spot, isn't it?
Yeah, scared.
Ruined that. Guys, I'm going to go in a bit closer because it looks like a bomb site over there.
Yeah. That's a shame I'm going to scramble these because I've done a really good
I
job.
like how they're cooking and your pan.
I
even
know.
on the heat. Mind
Yeah.
that handle.
No, that's right. This one's all right. I bent it, so it's yeah. What's for breakfast, Jamie?
Because I throw it out the pan.
Good little spot, isn't it?
Very good little spot, this. Yeah, very nice.
I'll leave the boss there to
Right,
eat his.
I think I need to spray up again.
Yeah.
We are packed away. 0 to see.
Everything we own in our bags.
Everything we own, we're taking home.
Jamie does wild backpacking.
Yeah, some of that gear. Should we go and do some more riding?
Yeah, let's have a walk.
stow some bags and do some ripping.
That'd be funny to do a whole edit, whole video, every time like the video's on us, is to have our crotch blurred.
Yeah.
For no reason. People would be like,
I might end it on that.
oh, are you filming? Oh, damn, so...
Bit different one, wasn't it?
Yeah, really, really nice.
Mix it up a bit. Right, we're cruising back to the vans. Thanks for watching. Probably a good chance you didn't get this far, so I'm going to do a twirly thing. Right, I'll see you on the next one, hopefully.